How to change the view of RC8X from the right to left. The view of RC8X is on the right by default. If you want to change the view of RC8X from the right to left, check this tutorial. Step 1. Remove the view on the right. There are 2 screws on the right view, and use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. Remove the wheel. There are some keyboards. Disconnect all the keyboards. Pull off the plastic plate. Step 2. Remove the board on the left. There are also 2 screws. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Pull off the board and disconnect the keyboards. Step 3. Install the wheel on the left. Insert the plastic plate. Connect the keyboards to the right connector. Make sure the connectors match. Here is the right connection. And then gently put the extra part of wires into the interlayer of RC8X. Then tighten the 2 screws. Then the wheel is installed on the left. Now, let's install the board on the right. Connect the keyboards to the right connector. Here is the right connection. And then insert the board. Put on the cover. And then tighten the 2 screws. Now the view of RC8X is changed from the right to the left.